What if I told you that you might have an amazing leaf in your backyard to make a tea that fights some illnesses? While you search for solutions in pharmacies and doctors' offices, nature offers you a home remedy that may be overlooked by many people. Guava leaf tea. Its potential in combating some common diseases has intrigued researchers. Does it sound too promising? That's why today, we're going to explore the real health benefits of guava leaf tea. Additionally, at the end of the video, we'll share the best way to prepare your tea so you can enjoy all its advantages. Can guava leaves really prevent and treat diseases? Or is it just another myth on the internet? Is guava leaf consumption safe for everyone? Or are there groups that should be cautious about consuming it? Curious? Then don't delay, watch the video now. But first, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's make this the most liked video on the channel ever. Have you already consumed guava leaf tea in your daily life? What part of the world are you from? After you've watched the video, drop a comment below so we can get to know each other better. Now let's look at the 9 diseases that can be treated with its use, based on evidence. 1. Diarrhea and gastroenteritis. Diarrhea and gastroenteritis are 2 very uncomfortable conditions that can interfere with our daily activities. What's worse is that they can develop into more serious conditions, such as severe dehydration. Excessive production of intestinal mucus is one of the main causes of diarrhea and gastroenteritis. Since guava leaf has astringent properties, it reduces the production of mucus and helps restore the natural state of the entire digestive system. Besides eliminating diarrhea and gastroenteritis, which is an inflammation of the stomach, guava leaf tea does more than just regulate intestinal transit. Rich in vitamins and minerals, it also nourishes and strengthens the body. These essential nutrients help rebuild intestinal flora after damage caused by diarrhea and gastroenteritis. If you're experiencing either of these conditions, we'll show you how to prepare this beneficial tea at the end of the video. 2. Type 2 diabetes. The phenolic compounds in guava leaves improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. This fact is proof that even the simplest solutions can produce great results in the management of this chronic disease. Patients with type 2 diabetes can benefit from including guava leaf tea in their daily routine as an extra tool for managing their blood sugar levels. It is not intended to replace traditional therapies but rather to supplement them with an additional layer of defense. If you care about your health, you probably already know the damage that bad cholesterol can do to your arteries and your entire cardiovascular system. What you probably don't realize is that there's a fairly easy solution to this problem: guava leaf tea. Consuming this beverage allows us to lower the concentration of LDL, or bad cholesterol, and protect our hearts from many of the issues it causes. It's as if the guava leaf is a true cleansing agent, removing pollutants from the main blood veins and ensuring smooth blood flow. Furthermore, guava leaf tea helps overall cardiovascular health because it contains antioxidants, which protect and maintain the cells that comprise our arteries. However, it is important to note that all of these benefits do not substitute other measures such as a healthy diet and regular exercise, because cardiovascular health is not to be taken lightly. High blood pressure is a silent condition that can lead to serious health complications without warning. Did you know that many people only discover they have high blood pressure when consulting a health professional? This is because it often doesn't present clear symptoms and in some cases can be detected too late. If left untreated, high blood pressure can lead to heart attacks, strokes, heart and kidney failure, and other serious health conditions. That's why it's crucial to address it. Guava leaf tea can be a great helper, as it's a natural, practical solution that's accessible to everyone. The tea has vasodilatory properties, meaning it dilates blood vessels to facilitate proper blood circulation, reducing pressure inside veins and arteries. By incorporating guava leaf tea into our diet, we're not only choosing a tasty beverage but also adopting a lifestyle that prioritizes prevention. We all know that oral health is extremely important. If neglected, bacteria and fungi can proliferate in the mouth, potentially affecting other organs and their functions, which may lead to serious illnesses. Incorporating simple actions into your daily routine is the ideal way to maintain good oral health. Guava leaf tea contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory compounds that make it a natural remedy for addressing common oral issues such as bad breath, gingivitis, and toothaches. To maximize these benefits, it's recommended to gargle with the tea once daily. This practice can be incorporated into your oral hygiene routine in just a few minutes. Regular use may help freshen breath, strengthen gums, and protect against infections in this critical area of the body. Hair loss is a concern for many people. Lots of folks turn to natural ingredients to try and prevent both hair loss and thinning. But not many of these substances have scientifically proven properties for these purposes. Guava leaf tea, on the other hand, has been extensively studied in this regard and has demonstrated its effectiveness as a great ally for hair health. The nutrients in guava leaves act on the scalp's hair follicles, promoting healthier and stronger hair growth. To best benefit from these nutrients, prepare a tea from guava leaves and apply it directly to your hair. Don't miss the recipe at the end of the video. Remember how I mentioned earlier that drinking guava leaf tea isn't the only way to enjoy its benefits? Well, you can actually apply it directly to your skin too. But wait, there's more. This amazing tea is also great for fighting acne. Simply apply it straight to your skin. Its anti-inflammatory and germ-fighting properties work wonders wherever you put it, helping to both treat and prevent those pesky breakouts. Speaking of skin, guava leaf tea can also speed up healing. Some studies show it might make wounds heal up to 40% faster, thanks to its soothing and antimicrobial effects. All you need to do is let the tea cool down, then dab it on the area you want to treat. Just one thing to keep in mind, make sure to use it the same day you make it, or it will lose its potency. Guava leaves have stress-relieving properties that can help reduce anxiety and promote mental well-being. They can assist you in staying calm and relaxed during stressful moments. Guava is rich in vitamin C, which aids in noradrenaline production. This hormone enhances alertness and attention and influences sleep, memory, and mood. Guava leaf tea can have a calming effect, potentially easing anxiety and relaxing muscles. Consuming guava tea after a stressful day or intense exercise may promote relaxation and boost energy, helping to alleviate stress. You know what's great for fighting indigestion and irritable bowel syndrome? Guava leaf tea. IBS is no joke. It's actually one of the most common digestive disorders worldwide, according to the World Gastroenterology Organization. This tea is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that work wonders on your digestive system. It's like a soothing hug for your insides, making you feel better before, during, and after meals. If you're dealing with bloating or those annoying intestinal cramps, give guava leaf tea a try. It's a natural remedy that gently eases your symptoms and helps your digestive system bounce back faster. While guava leaf tea has its benefits, it's not without drawbacks. Some individuals may experience constipation due to its astringent nature. Pregnant and breastfeeding women are advised to avoid it, and those on diabetes medications should exercise caution, as it could interfere with their medication. As with most things, moderation is key. If you're unsure, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor before making guava leaf tea a regular part of your diet. Making guava leaf tea is a piece of cake. First, gather a handful of fresh guava leaves. Next, rinse the leaves thoroughly under running water. Then, place the clean leaves in a pot with water. Bring it to a boil and simmer for 10 minutes. After that, strain the liquid. You can serve it hot or chilled. Optional. Add a small amount of honey if desired. Were you aware of some of these benefits of guava leaf tea? Share your experiences, questions, and tips in the comments. Let's build a community of knowledge around this powerful ingredient. If you found this video helpful, please type yes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Share this with your friends and family so they too can discover the incredible benefits of guava leaf tea. Have an awesome day and stay healthy, my friends.